Welcome everyone. Question on CFAC. The value of the crystal field stabilization energy of the coordination entity cobalt whole 6 of NH3 2 plus each. Choices are A minus 0.4 delta O, B minus 0.8 delta O, C minus 1.8 delta O, D minus 2.4 delta O. Answer is C minus 1.8 delta O. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The coordination entity is cobalt whole 6 of NH3 2 plus. So the oxidation state of cobalt is +2. Therefore, it is a D7 system. Since NH3 is a strong field ligand, thus it will form a low spin complex. For D7 system, splitting of the d orbitals are 3 T2g orbitals, which are dxy, dyz and dxz, and 2 Eg orbitals, which are dz square and dx square minus y square. D7 system contains 7 electrons. The distribution of electrons is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, the electron configuration is T2g6 Eg1. CFAC is equal to minus 0.4 into 6 for 6 electrons in the T2g orbitals plus 0.6 into 1 for 1 electron in the Eg orbitals into delta O is equal to minus 1.8 delta O. Thank you for watching this video.